dolls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL and I am back today with a try-on haul. Now y'all are in for a treat today. Today I will be showcasing my latest and greatest jeans. If you want to see what jeans and what shorts I picked up for you to be a plus size baddie, stay tuned.
I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like...
Okay dolls, so let's just get right into it. I am so in love with these shorts. I always pick up these shorts for the summer because they make your booty look really good. They basically give you that heart-shaped booty. They are so stretchy, so comfortable, and I figure white is perfect for the summertime. So everything will be from Monotiques. I'll put a coupon code down below so you guys can shop and save. But if you are looking for some jeans, get these. These are the back pocket jeans. Again, I will link all of these pairs in order in the description box. But y'all, these are very comfortable and I have them in a couple of colors already. Now these are really cute. Now I'm not really used to not having pants on that are high-waisted, but these are regular waist, if that makes sense. I think it looks cute with the bodysuit like I have on here, so that if you wanted to show that little side detail you could, or you can just pull them up a little bit higher. But I think they're extremely cute because of that detail of having the frayed bottoms and then the lace up on the side and a little distress on the front. So some white cute Daisy Duke shorts, and these I got in a 2X because that's how my hip is and I have to get jeans that fit. These ones don't snap that well to your back, but it's not that noticeable as far as what it looks like if you don't wear a belt. Now much like those, I saw they have them in black lace up. Now these ones are more torn in the front. There is a difference there. For me, that made a difference as far as how they stretch. So these ones fit a little bit better on my waist. However, on my thighs, it's really not that comfortable because literally my thigh meat is popping out the front. I don't know if you guys can tell, but look, it's literally popping out the front. And for me, that's not comfortable. And I know if I wore these for a long period of time, it would kind of hurt. So these ones, unfortunately, are not going to work for me. They are not as stretchy as the white ones. And for me, I just won't be able to make it work. Now, in the event where you did pick something up and it just did not come out to the way that you wanted it to fit, with Monotiques, they do have an easy return policy. Now, you would really exchange because you get store credit. You don't get actual money back, but that's basically how most online stores are. So just wanted to point that out. You can always exchange it. Now, as you can see, again, I wanted to slay for y'all. I wanted to give you plus size baddies, you curvy girls, everybody a chance to wear shorts, feel comfortable, and look good in them. So these particular shorts I actually adore. I think they cover everywhere they should, and they are short, they are cute. They have cool details as far as a little pocket hanging out underneath. I think that is so cute. And I love the color with the distressing on the little pockets, like everything. So these jeans fit comfortable. I am going to be rocking these a whole lot. They are not high waist, which is fine. I am really getting into the regular waist jeans. I love my high waist too, don't get me wrong, but I think these look really classic and I'm serving that Beyonce realness. Y'all remember that video? Okay, so that's it for the shorts. I wanted to show you guys some of their jeans because they always have new jeans and I really adore these. My thigh meat again pokes out, but that's really because I have a thick thigh, so it is what it is. But these particular jeans, they really hold you in, and I had to lay down on the bed to zip them, so the stretch isn't like some of the other ones I've tried, but they are still very comfortable. You can get in them. They will shape you really nice, so I do appreciate that. And I think the little cutouts on the knees, on the thighs are really cute. So now all these jeans, y'all, I got in a 1X because I've ordered from Monotiques before if you haven't seen my other videos, and that just works for me. Now these particular jeans, I wish I would have got one size down because these are so stretchy. They are so comfortable, and y'all, I felt so good in them. I had to dance a little bit, okay? Now as you can see, I have all this space in the front, and again, they are very stretchy. The bottoms, I couldn't tell if they were like joggers or what, but I did feel they looked cute by pulling them up a little on my calves. Because of that stripe going down the side, it makes your booty look really good, really thick. Apple bottom, hello. But yeah, I wish I sized down in these jeans, so that would be my only recommendation. But they are so comfy and they give you that sporty luxe glam. Now that's what I mean. Again, it's a little bit big, so you can kind of see how big it is there, but you can pull them all the way up because they're high waist and make it work. I think I would wear like a crop top or something like that with these, or a bodysuit, or a little bralette type of shirt. Now these are really cute. I did not know for sure if I was going to like these, but they are very cute. So as you can see, thigh is all out, honey. Again, my thighs are really thick, so it kind of pokes a little, but I like the color of these. This light wash I think is very summery, and I think it looks really good on my booties. They do stretch pretty well. These have distressing all the way down, so not just on your thighs and on your knees, but also down on your legs, and then finally down by your ankles. These type of jeans I think will look really cute with high heels because of the distressing detail that are on the ankles. And you can do that little it's a hip type of jean, not high waist. So again, if you wanted to show a little bit of your bodysuit to get that look, you could. So I wanted to get a whole bunch of jeans that are on your waist because I have so many jeans that are high waist already, and sometimes I do want my stomach out a little bit. So sometimes I don't want my jeans to be high. So these are another pair that are not high. They're like mid-rise. They kind of look like boyfriend jeans, but they're fitted. So I don't even know, what to call these, but I really do like these. I think these are going to be a staple in my summer wardrobe. They are more structured and they're kind of wide leg on the bottom, as you can see. They're not like super skinny, nor are they super stretchy, but these again I got in a 1X. Now these particular jeans, I don't know what it is about the material these jeans are made out of, but all of my black jeans are kind of hard to get into. So again, these jeans are a little structured, not so easy to get on. I couldn't really pull them all the way up. These are not high waist, these are mid-rise. As you can see, the distress on my thighs are poking out. So I don't know if I can really wear these pants because I really don't feel like they fit. Now again, I would not recommend going up one size because then it would be too big unless that's the look you're going for, like a boyfriend look. But these ones in particular, they're kind of true to size. They run tight, okay? So not small, but they run tight. Now here you have the darker color jean, which I think always looks a little bit more dressy. As you can see, I always have distress in these jeans. That's one of the fun things about this website, Monotiques, is that you always have so many options. I always go for the distress option. On the website, you can kind of narrow it down based off of what you click. But these, I got out the distress section. Pretty flattering, just like these ones. These jeans are also pretty flattering. These jeans were very stretchy, so it's a little loose on my legs. I kind of like my jeans to be very skinny, so these ones are more comfortable, more for like a daily wear. Now whenever I have jeans that kind of fit like this, where they fit good on the top and in my hips and in my thighs, but not so good on my bottoms as far as my ankles, what I'll usually do is cut them into capris, or I cut them into shorts. So that is it. Again, I absolutely adore these jeans because for the longest I could not wear jeans, I could not wear shorts, and that was because there were none available. Being plus size, we had to shop in like 1 or 2 stores, and a lot of times you may find jeans that fit in your waist but they wouldn't fit in your legs. They'll be all big and gappy and ugly and boxy. Y'all, when I say I am so excited to bring you this haul, like I love working with Monotiques. So far I've had nothing but great things. Their clothes fit basically true to size or one size up, because again, if you have a lot of junk in your trunk, you want to make sure you accommodate for that. So These particular jeans, again, they all stretch. The shorts, they're short, but they look good, they're cute, they're fashionable, and y'all, most importantly, they are affordable. So speaking of affordable, be sure to check the coupon code down below. I will put that down in the box with all your details. That way y'all can get your shop on. If you like this haul, please give me a thumbs up. Also share this video with your friends. Who knows, your homegirl might be out there looking for some cute summer shorts and some bomb ass jeans too. Now, if you don't already follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do. And your girl's Instagram and Snapchat is at Chrissy the doll. You don't subscribe to this channel, girl? What are you doing? Subscribe to this channel. Be sure also to check out my vlog and fitness channel, and I'll put all those details down below in the box. Now, last and very not least, I know you dolls always ask me about my hair, my makeup, and my contacts. Let me know if you want to see a tutorial. I am very excited to be doing these videos. I know I say it like all the time, but this is something I love to do, and I would not be able to do it without you. So give yourselves a pat on the back. I appreciate all the support. So that's it, dolls. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.
I like proving niggas wrong. I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi